Farmer Johnny here, Taylor Family Farm, with our Power Tee for you Tennessee Taylor Family Farm fans. We just want to give you a little quick update. We've had a exciting 2021. A lot of things happened on the farm, and we just want to give a shout out to all of our customers of appreciation. You know, we couldn't do this without you. We just want to thank everybody for a good year. What do you say, Miss Taylor?
We really do appreciate all of your love and your support, your understanding. We really appreciate your long suffering with us, because we do get busy, and y'all all understand that. You understand the work that goes into every product that you buy. We appreciate your continued support and your love.
We have a conversation pretty frequently amongst us and with our kids, because our kids are working the farm. We have the greatest customers. Yes, you know, you put up with our mess ups and all the things we do, and continue to buy our product, and we're really appreciated and appreciative of all of our customers, and looking forward to another year. Happy New Year!